Hello and welcome to the continuous fidget card class.
This is the perfect card for someone who likes to fidget, likes to play around, likes to figure things out. I will take you through this card from step by step to creating the card base and cutting all the pieces that you're going to need to create your card, as well as assembly. I'll show you how to create a version using stamped and colored images. In this card, I'm going to be coloring with Copic markers, but you could absolutely use dye-based markers or whatever you like to color your cards. If you choose, you could also watercolor them, but I'll be using alcohol-based markers. I'll show you how to add fun accents at the end. If stamping and coloring is not your thing, I'll show you several different samples of the same card using printed paper. I'll show you which ones are the absolute best for creating this card, but then I'll show you some alternatives if you can't find what is the absolute best. So there are alternatives. If you're not into stamping and coloring, if you just like using printed papers, this is a perfect class for you as well to create a unique card that people are going to marvel over. And because you don't have to stamp and color all of your images, the printed paper one actually comes together a lot more quickly, but it's just as fun to play with. Now let's go create.